This is question 20, test 7, section 7, page 790. So it reads, the figures above show the graphs of the functions f and g. So on the left, we have function f, and on the right, we have function g. The function f is defined by f of x equals x cubed minus 4x. The function g is defined by g of x equals f, open parentheses, x plus h, close parentheses, plus k, where h and k are constants. What is the value of h times k? Okay, so what this is really asking us is how did f of x become g of x? And from that, how can you figure out what the values of h and k are? So I'm just going to reproduce this. So k means how many places did this shift vertically, and plus means shifted up, minus means shifted down. Now the horizontal movement, which is indicated by h, is a little bit less intuitive. So normally you'd think of negative signifying a movement to the left, but in this case, you might remember from algebra 2, plus with the h value means movement left, and minus means movement right. So this will help us figure out what the values of h and k are, because we're going to look at one of the points. Any of these 3 points would work. And, well, the 2 points they indicate would be the easiest. So look at that point and then look at where it shows up on this graph of this exact same function. And then just figure out how did these points shift. Okay, so in f of x, the x coordinate for this point is -1. And then in g of x, that point is shifted from -1 over to 2. So that is 3 units to the right. And remember, movement to the right is signified with a negative. So the h value here will be -3 to signify a shift of 3 units to the right. So then what is the k value? This is more intuitive. So the k value shifts from 3 down to 1. From this graph to this graph. So the k value is going to be -2. And then they want h times k. So -3 times -2. Negative times negative gives us a positive. So the answer is +6.